Today is my 56th episode of Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking, and we are going to do Polish kielbasa, sauerkraut, and potatoes in the crock pot. So here we go. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut up this sausage. And what I like to do is I like to cut it kind of on an angle like that, so it gets the grease out. Put that in the pan. I like to brown it just a little bit before I put it in with the sauerkraut. All right. So we're going to get that going. And then I'm going to bring you over here. And I'm going to turn on my crock pot. I'm going to put it on high because I'm figuring it's going to take probably about 3.5 hours. And I've got a potluck tonight, so I'm going to start out with these potatoes. I'm going to be cutting them kind of in nice sized little chunks. And I am putting that on high in the crock pot. I'm going to cut it kind of like that. I want decent sized chunks. And I'm going to just do 2 potatoes with this. I figured that'll be enough. And I'm going to layer it. Oh, some of those potatoes. Well, I can save enough of it. I'm happy to be back. I was off in Palm Harbor helping my good friend, ex-sister-in-law, to move. She moved from Palm Harbor to Newport Richey, Florida. Beautiful area. I don't have much of that potato left. I'm going to grab one more. Okay, sorry about that. What I'd like to do is layer this. So that should be good. Okay, I'm going to stir my sausage a little bit. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I am going to take my little crock pot here. I think I'm going to put the potatoes on the bottom because they take a little longer in the crock pot. And I'm going to take my onion here. It doesn't have to be cut really, really small because it's going to cook down. take my sauerkraut. I love silver floss sauerkraut. It's the best. Cut that open. I'm going to keep the juice in there. I'm not putting any salt in the potatoes because this sauerkraut will have enough salt for it all. Save half here. I'm going to take my onion and just kind of scatter that all around. Then I'm going to take my sausage. I'm going to put that in there. Then I'm just going to put the sauerkraut back on it. And I do like to put just a little bit of caraway seed in there. So I'm going to sprinkle just a little caraway seed in there. And circle that around. You can get some sauerkraut that's got the caraway seed in it, but that just adds a nice little touch to it. And that's all there is to it. And I will get back to you in about 3 hours, I'm figuring, on high. So I'll be back with you to show you how yummy it is. This took about 4 hours, and you're going to have to watch it for when your potatoes get tender. So let me show you what we got. Look at this beautiful, beautiful Polish kielbasa dinner. Here it is. And it is so yummy with the sauerkraut and everything. Talk about an easy meal. I hope you enjoyed my kielbasa dinner in the crock pot. Super easy. And I think if you were to put this on before work and maybe put it on low for 8 hours, I'm sure you'd be fine. And thank you so much for watching. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. Bye now.